Hey SSD, do you speak CLS? Let's find out. You may have heard the terms systems approach, or PDSA, maybe even long-term goals. But to clear up any confusion, let's take a minute to make sure we're all saying the same thing as we work to create an effective and collaborative classroom learning system. Students in our schools deserve the best instruction we can give them. And that means it's up to us to make the most educated decisions we can based on data to help us make adjustments along the way. We call this approach to teaching and learning a systems approach. A systems approach also requires students to take ownership in their learning with the support of their teachers, their parents, even paraprofessionals and administrators. The list goes on and on. We call these people our key partners. As leaders of learning, we look to the state to tell us what students need to know and be able to do by the end of a particular grade. These become our learning targets. It's important that we keep our learning targets posted and we talk about them in family-friendly language so that students and families know exactly where we're headed. Now that we know what we need to do, it's our job to set a goal for the year so we can measure how close we are to meeting it. This is our long-term goal. We measure this goal on grade level, and we check in on it 3 to 4 times a year using district-approved benchmarking tools. Remember, our students and key partners are going to be doing a lot of work in order to meet this goal, so they deserve to see their progress. We need to find a way to make their progress visible so students can see it in a way that makes sense for them. With the big picture established, it's time to make progress happen through the PDSA process. We start with a plan or short-term goal to drive instruction, partnered with do's, strategies that teachers and students will do to help support the goal. We'll then study our data and make action steps to move us forward. Congratulations! While there's always more to learn, you now have the basic vocabulary of CLS. Stay tuned for more learning opportunities, but in the meantime, pass it on.